When would be a good time to consider using an attorney if I've had a personal injury?
Um, I would consider using an attorney right away in most cases. There are times when you don't, there are times when you do. If you don't have personal injury protection, I would get an attorney immediately, because that means you're going to be going to see doctors, trying to get better. You're going to be incurring some expenses that are going to leave you a little bit on the line for those expenses. An attorney helps make sure the other insurance party, maybe the at-fault party, pays those bills. So if you're injured, let's say you get hit in a car accident, it wasn't your fault, but you don't have personal injury protection, I would get an attorney. That way you can that attorney assures the doctors that they're going to be end up getting paid, and it also is an extra layer of protection that you, the patient, are not going to end up holding a big bill at the very end of all this. If you do have personal injury protection, it's sometimes necessary to get a lawyer as well. Some insurance companies have, over the last year, a few years especially, have taken a hard stance on patients in accidents, and they're willing to pay up to a certain extent, and then all of a sudden they say it's no longer medically necessary. And in which case, let's say you're hit in an accident, you have personal injury protection, and they're paying for a while, and then all of a sudden they stop paying. And then maybe they send you to an exam, an IME, independent medical exam, and they say you're just fine, but yet you're still hurting. At that point, and probably a bit before that, you really want to get an attorney to help argue your side of the point, because injuries can produce serious accidents. Even low-level injuries can produce, even 5 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour can produce up to 8 G's of force on the head. That's a lot of force, and that translates into damaged ligaments. You want somebody on your side to help, that knows the laws, and can help you settle it fairly. And so those are the cases when I would consider an attorney. Most attorneys I work with give free consultations, and if in doubt, any doubt is there, I always send them over and say, hey, talk to them, and they'll give you a fair shake. So I'm Dr. Owens, and good luck if you've been in an accident, and if you want need any other help, give our office a buzz, and we'll see what we can do.